Kidblog is one of my favorite social networking tools for use in the classroom. Kidblog allows students the opportunity to express themselves through blogging while learning how to interact online in a respectful and positive manner, all while under the watchful eye of the teacher. Kidblog allows you as the teacher to create a class blog and to control who can participate in blogging as well as who can view the blogs that students create. So the first thing that you'd want to do is create a teacher account. So you would click here for creating a teacher account. I've already created one, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. You have three options for logging in. You can log in with Clever, with Google, or with your email. I'm going to log in with Google. Now once you get to the site, I will show you that unfortunately Kidblog is no longer free. So after 30 days of a free trial, if you want to continue using Kidblog, you will need to purchase a membership. Your options are to have an annual membership where you'd pay $4.50 a month, or a monthly membership which would be $12 a month. So if you do like it, you're going to have to pay to continue to use it. But you can use all the free features during your trial. So if we go back to the dashboard, you can see that I've created my account, and if I want to change my profile, I simply click on profile. Here I can choose my avatar. I can pick a picture or a cartoon avatar. Students also have the same option to choose their avatar. I can change my display name, add or change email addresses. If we go on back to the dashboard, you'll see I already have one class set up. I'm not going to show that one, so I don't share my students' names. But I can simply create a new class by clicking here. You can call your class whatever you want, so we'll call this Miss Jones's reading class. And the description will be blogs for readers. So now I've that simply created a new class. The same way as there's settings for my profile, there's settings for my class. So if I click on settings, again, I can change the avatar for the class. So if I click on choose avatar, I can choose an image, one of their avatars, something from my computer I've saved for the computer. So go ahead and use that as the avatar. I can change the class name. I can even change the class URL. So if I just wanted this to be reading for winners, I can call it whatever I want to, as long as it's available. And I can change the blog description as well and add a location if I'd like to. So we'll go ahead and save the changes. Now, some of the other things I can do is change my theme. So these are the themes that are built in. Let's say I want a dog theme. My kids like dogs, so I'll use a dog theme. Students can also change the theme of their classes, which they enjoy doing. Then, most importantly, my users. This is where all the users will be shown. I can give a join code. There's join codes for students, for teachers, and for guests if you'd like a parent or another teacher to be able to view the blog the students are writing. You simply enable a join code, and anytime you can disable that code or change that code. Students will simply go to this website, enter that code, and they'll be in. They can also join with their Clever account, their Google account, or just their name. They do not have to use an email to join. You can also add students manually through a password, through a Google account, or through Clever again. So then you have your students, and this is where you'll be able to control what they are able to do and what they are not able to do. Privacy, one of the most important things for a teacher. You can control who sees what and what kind of approval is required. So obviously use the teacher can see everything, no approval required. The class members, do you want them to see everything, and do you want approval first? So if you want to moderate what gets posted, you're going to click approval. If you have any connections or guests, do you want them to be able to see things, and do you want them to have approval? You can also make it open to the public, and again, you can have approval if that's what you'd like. Save those changes. One of the great things about Kidblog is the opportunity to let them connect with the world outside their classroom. If you go to connections, they'll give you some suggested classes to follow. You can connect with them, you can add more classes, and that way your students have an automatic audience to share things with. So let's go back to our dashboard. Once you go into your class, they start you off with a welcome to Kidblog, and you can just use that post and edit it. If you want to create your new post, you click up there. You can add an image, title, type what you want, change all the fun stuff down here. And then when you're ready, just like any other blog, you'll go ahead and publish it. I think because Kidblog can be moderated by the teacher, it's appropriate for any age. Once students can type words and sentences, this is a great way to get them interacting with their peers within their classroom, within their school, and within their community, and then as well as beyond their community. It is a great tool. I like to use it for kids to blog about books they've read, discussions we've had in class, personal interests they have, and also enjoy watching the kids blog and comment on their peers' blogs, and they get a kick out of it when I comment on their blogs as well. So I hope you've enjoyed my introduction to Kidblog and that you will check it out. Thank you.